So let me start off by asking the question of what is cloud computing? So the simplest way to describe cloud computing is that you're renting another company's computers for whether it be storage, compute, networking, AI resources, etc. So you're no longer bound to using what you have right in front of you with your laptop, for example. You can go ahead and use the internet and connect to Azure or the cloud, right? So this is your ability to now connect to another computer without having to go ahead and buy a new computer or ask to borrow someone else's. You can simply just use the internet to connect to the cloud to utilize resources such as people's computer power, storage, AI, networking, etc. So it's pretty cool. And just a clarification point, AI meaning artificial intelligence. So we could use analytics and be able to detect if someone's smiling, who's in a picture, things like that. And it's really powerful. You don't have to worry about developing these services on your own. You basically ask Azure or the cloud to do it for you.